Today's video, week 4 of June's Decluttering Challenge. Hello everyone, my name is Misty Nicole with LadyPrefers2Save.com. Welcome back to week 4 of this month's Decluttering Collab Challenge. We're focusing fire this week on garages, laundry rooms, things of this sorting. As in my house, my indoor laundry room really isn't anything that needs to be decluttered, as I've done that a long time ago. I really wanted to shift gears and focus on some areas that my husband could help me with. He wanted to set up a wood shop within our home, and so part of our finished basement is simply cemented in. It was previously used as a storage area, and so we've completely cleaned it out, and I want him to take the things from our garage and from his previous wood shop, which is a shed in our backyard, and move it to this new space. With that said, I'm going to turn over everything to Daniel and let him get started.
Hey guys, my name is Daniel. I'm the husband behind the LadyPrefers2Save.com, and today I'd like to be part of this collab. I've been seeing this decluttering collab that my wife's been part of. I think it's really important for guys to get involved with decluttering. Minimalism just doesn't come to me naturally. It's something that I've kind of adopted as my wife has gotten into it. It's really great for saving money, for making your house easier to deal with, for getting down to the bare bones, what's really important in your life, and not having a whole bunch of extra fluff just hanging around. Today I'm going to declutter the garage upstairs and set up my woodworking area downstairs as well. So I'm going to be separating woodworking tools from gardening tools first, and then separating the wood I have for projects I'm going to be putting together with Nikki. This is something I've been watching a lot of really great women be part of over the last couple of days with my wife. I think it's time that some of the guys step up and do something with this, because it's a great idea, it's a great program, and I think we can make some really great progress both here, and I can hopefully inspire you to do some more at your own house as well. So with that said, all right guys, this is the inside of the tool shed. I'm kind of showing you what's here. As you can tell, I have been not living up to my wife's expectations of keeping this nice and clean. So what I'm gonna do is go through this in time lapse and let you watch me break this down. This is all my tools. Now what I'm gonna do is some of this will stay up here. For example, like the power sprayer can stay up here. And some of my gardening tools, you see I have like the leaf collector and some basic stuff. But the majority of the woodworking stuff will be going downstairs. And that way I can use that for my projects and still have access to all the stuff up here that I need to for taking care of the yard. I'll quick go over there. So I got some really nice things that Nick set up for me. I got these tool stuff, but again, that's staying up here. So is the bin. The big thing I got to worry about up here is some of this really great reclaimed wood that I have that we found. And that will be going downstairs so I can clean it up and make some stuff for Nick, hopefully. So stay with me. You'll watch me clean this up and then actually see what it looks like downstairs once I have that squared away. So this is a test of the downstairs area. This is going to be the workshop. I'm gonna lay this out. Got a nice table to work stuff on. Got some of the pallets already started moving down here. Got to clean some of this up. But ultimately, this is going to be the workshop. So this is going to be the end result that you'll see me putting this together, hopefully today. And have this nice and clean. I have my decluttering set up down here. That's my trash bin here for small refuse. I'll put that there, that way I can just pull everything up at one time. You can see I have my bag for my electric tools. I got my actual regular hammer screwdriver tool set here. I got a circular saw. I got a sander. I got 2 jigsaws. I'm going to downsize those jigsaws. I think the older one's going to go. My hammer, my rubber mallet, and my other stuff right here. Some PVC glue for some materials I have to use, some brushes. You'll see me hopefully use those in some projects coming up. I got both of my small nuts and bolts cases. These will probably need to be KonMari'd in the coming days. I'll show you that too. I have some basic, just the thicker pallet wood singles pieces. Those are the pieces from the church that we salvaged. I got some flat boards. Also got some pallets I've already been able to collect. This will be my little pallet area. Looking forward to it. Nikki got me the pallet buster, and I'll be showing y'all how that works and how quickly that can make an end of these pallets over here, hopefully. So I'll show you upstairs in a second. So this is where my tools went off to. I'll show you in a few moments what they look like upstairs. This is my power washer. We use this for the driveway and stuff. Works really well. This is my toolkit. Not much right now for the garden. Basically, weed eater cord and a couple gloves for dealing with poison ivy. Got my power pack so I can charge this upstairs. That goes to some of my drills, but it's easier to charge it here, so I'm gonna hopefully get away with that with Nick. I got the scoops. As you can see, everything up here is yard related. See, the wood is all gone. All that is downstairs like you saw just a bit ago. And so this creates a very nice area. No clutter. Makes life a lot easier for me and Nikki. So anytime I go in here, I'll know exactly what to go for, which is for the stuff that I need to use to clean the yard. And downstairs is all the woodworking gear. So, all right, guys, that was my decluttering project for today. I hope you really enjoyed our time together. I hope you got something out of it. Again, I think it's going to be great. I appreciate the women from the Collab allowing me the time to be part of this great program, this great project. With that said, I'm going to hand it back over to Nikki and close out with...
All right, guys, he did such a great job. Thank you so much for watching the video. Again, remember, this is a collab challenge. It was started by Roxanne, The Guy's Life, and I will have the information to the playlist below, as well as to Roxanne's channel. Thank you again for watching. Please be sure to hit that little red subscribe button, turn on notifications, give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment and let me know what you've been decluttering this week or projects that you've been working on this month or intend to do so for the remainder of summer. And with that said, please be kind to yourself and to others and have a wonderful rest of your day. Thank you for watching.
All right, so what should I say?
What are your feelings about the Decluttering Collab?
Like my deep feelings or like just my thoughts?
No KonMari, just your thoughts.
All right, so what am I supposed to say?
Again, just your part of what you're doing downstairs and in the garage, whatever you're cleaning out in terms of the collab.
Okay, the collab. Just anything?
No, the decluttering in the collab, Daniel.
Okay. So like, it's not unusual to be cluttered with anyone, right?